Welcome. Today, we're diving into a handy new feature on Instagram that allows you to forward likes from chats directly on your PC. This update makes sharing those moments with friends easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features seamlessly. Once you're in, look for the messages icon located on the left menu. It resembles a paper airplane. Click on it to enter your direct messages. Next, you'll want to open the chat where you want to forward a like. Scroll through your conversations until you find the one that contains the message you're interested in. Once you've located it, take a moment to find the specific like message you wish to share. Now, here comes the crucial part. Look for the 3 dots next to the like message. Clicking on these dots will open a small menu with several options. From this menu, select Forward. This action allows you to share that particular message with others easily. After clicking Forward, you will be prompted to choose the recipients. You can select multiple friends or groups from your contacts list who you want to send this like message to. This feature is great for sharing moments that resonate with multiple people at once. Finally, once you've selected your recipients, click on Send. Your like message will be forwarded instantly, allowing your friends to see what you found worth liking in the first place. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can now forward likes from chats on Instagram using your PC. This new update streamlines communication and enhances how we share our favorite moments with others. Thank you for watching. Be sure to try out this feature and let us know how it works for you. Happy messaging!